Hello everyone, welcome back to Ayaba Creation. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful beaded bag right here. So if it is something you would like to learn how to make, stay tuned. So you can visit our page on Instagram, or you can pick the WhatsApp number on your screen if you want to purchase raw materials. So on Instagram, the handle is Ayaba Store. On TikTok, it's also Ayaba Store. These are the materials we are going to be needing for the project. Okay, so first we are going to pick 4 of the crystal beads, the 20 mm type. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. These beads are available on our Instagram store, online Instagram store at Ayaba Store. So you can go check it out and purchase. Alright, so when you take 4, you're going to cross with the 4th bead, just like I did earlier, to get a ring of 4. So next, what you are going to do is to pick 3 beads, so 3 of the crystal beads. So you are going to put 1 on each side, so 1 on the beading thread in your right hand and 1 in the left. Then with the 3rd one, you are going to cross like this, so just like what I did. Then yeah, so you're going to get another ring of 4. Then you're going to pick 3 crystal beads again. This time around, you're going to put all 3 on one side of the beading thread, so you can either put it at the left or the right. Why it should be all 3 at one side. Then with the 3rd one, you're going to cross to get something like this. Okay, so yeah, this is what you're going to get for the first stage. Moving on, we're going to pick 3 of the crystal beads, so 1, 2, 3, and what you are doing is to add all 3 to the beading thread in your left hand. Then you cross with the 3rd one to get a ring of 4 beads, so it's going to look like this. Then next, you pass the beading thread in your right hand through the next bead, so this bead here. Then you pick 2 beads, 1, 2, cross with the 2nd one to give a ring of 4 beads. Yeah, then you're going to pass it through again through this bead here, so you pass the beading thread through that bead. Then you pick 2 beads. These 2 beads are going to go, the beading thread in your right hand is going to go through these 2 beads, so like this. Then you're going to cross with the 2nd one to give a ring of 4 beads. Alright, so you'll have something like this for the 2nd stage. Climbing on, so beading thread in your right hand now, you are going to add 3 beads, so 1, 2, 3. Then you cross with the 3rd one to give a ring of 4 beads. Okay, so you're going to pass the beading thread through the next bead, then add 2 beads, cross with the 2nd bead to give a ring of 4 beads. So this is the procedure you're going to be repeating. Okay. So at this point, we are going to build the sides. So it's like we're going to raise the bag up to build the sides in order to get our bag. So first, you're going to add 3 beads, cross with the 3rd bead like this to give a ring of 4 beads. Then you pass the beading thread through the next bead and add 2 beads, cross with the 2nd bead to give a ring of 4 beads like this. Okay, So you're going to pass the beading thread through the next bead, but here my beading thread is becoming short, so I'm going to tie a knot and then we will continue. Okay, so cutting a new beading thread, and then what you're going to do is to pass the beading thread through this bead here and then also this bead right here, so 2 beads in all, and you're going to add 2 beads cross with the second one to give a ring of 4 beads. So I'm doing it like that. Okay, so see, all right, then you're going to pass the beading thread through the next bead, so it's going through the next bead, and we are adding 2 beads, 1 2, then we cross with the second bead to give a ring of 4 beads. So we are going in again, beading thread is going through the next bead, and we are going to add 2 beads, cross with the second one to give a ring of 4 beads. The rest is it's simple to understand this video because I actually took my time to explain things well into details, and the video is also doing much helping. So that's what you are going to do from here till you get to the last but one bead. You pass the beading thread through the next bead, and then you are going to add 2 beads, cross with the second bead to give a ring of 4 beads. So I'm here at the last part, and as you can see, I passed the beading thread through 2 beads, and then I added just 1 here like this. Okay, so just 1 and cross with that same one to give a ring of 4 beads. So I'm climbing up again, so I'm going to add 3 beads this time around. Okay, and I'm going to cross with the third one to give a ring of 4 beads. Next, I'm going to pass the beading thread through the next bead, then add 2 beads and cross with the second one to give a ring of 4 beads. Then I will keep repeating the same process. Okay, so for the last time, going through again like this, then I will add 2, so 1 2, cross with the second. Okay, alright, so we are the last part, so this last bead and also through this, then you would cross like this to give a ring of 4 beads. Okay, so you can keep repeating this process till you get the length you want. So I'm doing it for the last time, add 3, and then you cross with the third one, pass the beading thread through the next bead, and you add 2 and cross with the second one. Then what you do next is continue throughout. So I'm almost done. I beaded the rest off camera. I'm almost done. Yeah, so let's finish. Alright, so when you are ending, you pass the beading thread through the beads right there, and okay, so I'm guessing this place too is very much explainable, so you just watch the video and then you can understand what's going on. So I'm tying a knot after everything, then I'll pass the excess thread through the beads. Okay, and then I'll cut the excess thread off. That's it. So how to attach the gold design into the bag is the next task we are going to do, so just stay tuned. But first we are going to make the handle of the bag. Okay, so I cut my beading thread, and then the side that is 3, I am going to pass the beading thread through the second bead, so that's the middle. Then I'll add my gold beads. So I'm adding 3 gold beads on each side. You can add 4, you can add 5. Later I decided to increase it, but for here I added just 3, so 3 on each side. Okay, so when you are done, then you just pick your crystal beads and arrange it. So this one too, you can decide the number you want to use, if you want a longer strap or a shorter one. I decided to add 8 crystal beads, okay, and then again I added gold beads, 3 on each side of the beading thread. So the beading thread in my right hand, I added 3 gold beads, and then the one on my left hand too, I added 3 gold beads. Then I went ahead to just attach it to the other side of the bag, so also where the side is 3, so I'm attaching it to the middle. So pass the beading thread through this bead right here, then you can tie a knot and cut off the excess thread. Okay, so that is it for making the strap. And the last part is the gold design that is in between the bag, so that's what we are going to do now. With that one, you can actually start from anywhere you want, but I'm going to start from the base. So from the very corner here, I cut my beading thread and I pass it through this bead is the first bead, and you pick your gold bead like this. So the gold bead is going to fill up the space. Then next you are going to pass the beading thread through the next bead, okay, through the next bead like this. Okay, then when you do it like this, what you are going to do is add another gold bead again. So you're adding the gold bead, yeah, see, then you pass the beading thread through the next bead, and then you add 1 gold bead. So the gold bead is just going to be filling the spaces, and that is how the design is done. Okay, you see, it's very simple, so you can do it all round for the bag, and then that is all. Very simple tutorial. See, it's looking beautiful already. You can take this beautiful clutch to your wedding, you can take it for to a birthday party, even to church. You can still send it because it's cute and it's really pretty and it sparkles very nice when you expose it to the sun. So this bead and everything that is used in the video is available at Ayaba Store, so you can check us out on Instagram at Ayaba Store. You can also text the WhatsApp number on your screen to make inquiries and purchase. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. See you in our next one. Bye.